Good afternoon, Tagalog learners. Another Tagalog video lesson here. On this video, we are going to describe nouns using the Tagalog adjectives from our previous videos. Let's start. While in English, we say big house, big cat, handsome guy, wise woman. In Tagalog, we use these two with nouns and adjectives. Let's have na first. Use na to link an adjective to the noun it is describing if the adjective ends in a consonant. Example, the adjective malakas. Malakas. So, it ends in a consonant. Letter S. Diba? Let's say, strong man. So, our adjective is malakas and the noun is lalaki. Since our adjective malakas ends in a consonant, we have to use na. Malakas na lalaki. Malakas na lalaki. Let's have another example from our previous video. Kulot. Kulot. It ends in a consonant. Letter T. Diba? Then, let's have our noun. Buhok. Kulot na buhok. Kulot na buhok. Let's have more examples. I wish you guys watched the previous videos. First one, singkit. Singkit na babae. Singkit na babae. Or we can also say, singkit na Pilipina. Diba? Singkit na Pilipina. Wais na kliyente. Wais na kliyente. Wais na babae. Wais na babae. From my previous video, I said, as an example, tuwid na buhok. Tuwid na buhok. Well, this time, let's say, tuwid na linya. Tuwid na linya. Straight line. Pangit na ugali. Pangit na ugali. With nang, use it if an adjective ends in a vowel. Maganda. It ends in a vowel. Letter A, diba? Magandang babae. Magandang babae. Guwapo. Guwapong bata. Guwapong bata. Basang payong. Basang payong. Tuyong damit. Tuyong damit. Last one. Pangong ilong. Pangong ilong. I think I said wais na babae earlier. So now let's say, or magandang babae. So now let's have the noun first. Babae. Also, it ends in a vowel, letter E. So, let's use the NG. Babaeng maganda. Or, babaeng wais. Pangong ilong. But, let's have the noun first, which is nose. Ilong. Now, that ends in a consonant, letter G. So, we have to use na. Ilong na pango. Ilong na pango. Payong. Payong, umbrella. It ends in letter G as well, which is a consonant. Payong na basa. Payong na basa. So, that's all for our Tagalog video lesson. Ngayong araw, ngayong hapon. Until next time, and kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung ating previous videos tungkol sa Tagalog adjectives, ito po sila. Babush! Until next time!